Well, good Monday morning, all you awesome YouTubers. I hope everybody's had a fantastic weekend. I know I did. The weather around here in the Nashville area this weekend was fantastic. Great temperature, low humidity, and it was just awesome. So I wasn't sure I was going to be able to get a video made this morning because, we're getting ready to go out of town. But I was able to. I'm going to just make a quick one this morning. I don't really have anything specific to talk about because I'm not going to continue my how to make a YouTube channel until I get back from vacation, because I don't want to start it and then have to stop in the middle of it. We're going to be gone for a couple of weeks, so I won't be able to get any videos posted until I get back, but that's all right. You're still welcome to hit me up in comments, and I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as possible, but I'll make sure everything gets answered when I get back. But I just wanted to get on here this morning and just offer a little bit of Monday motivation to say, I hope over the weekend that you were able to get a video made and hopefully maybe published. Maybe you were just creating your YouTube channel this weekend, which is awesome. Whatever step you're in, just take the next one. And I have a little bit of a challenge coming up with this vacation, because for the first time, I'm going to actually do a little travel vlog. So that's a new one for me. Obviously, talking to my camera in my car or in my house is one thing, but talking to a camera while you're walking through an airport or into a hotel or a restaurant, that's another whole ball game. And although I'm not a shy person, I don't, fear talking in public, it's still a little nerve-wracking doing something that you've never done as far as, talking to a camera walking through airports and such. But that's okay, because you know what? I'm all up for new challenges, and I'm ready to do this. I do have a separate channel that I'm going to be posting my travel vlogs on, because you can't really mix, content. And that's one thing that I guess like I mentioned this morning is, once you pick your niche and you start your channel and you're doing a specific type of content, don't mix and match it, so to speak. You can't, for example, post travel vlogs on a tech channel, right? It's the audience for those two are completely different. And either your current audience isn't going to watch anything, so you'll have no interaction, or you're just going to confuse the algorithm because it's not going to know who to push your video out to, so no one will see it. Once you pick your niche and you start recording videos, just stick with that. You'll be in good shape. I hope over the next couple of weeks while I'm on vacation, you guys continue to make content. Hit me up with any questions or comments. And don't forget to download that PDF on finding your niche. If you're still uncertain, where you fit in that, that's a great little guide to help you figure that out. This Monday morning is starting out to be a crazy one. So I guess that's the way the rest of my day is going to be. But for now, until I get back from vacation, I'm signing off. And we will see you in a couple weeks. Have a great Monday.